The view from my office today, not too shabby. You know, I like nice things and I like nice places and I love working outside. So I'm outside. I know you would love it. And no, I don't care about the sounds and the noise. It all blends in to make it a wonderful work from home opportunity. So, yeah, just getting my outside in today. Why not? You know, we're selling cruises today, right? And you know, Celestial Journey and Celestial Discovery are hot ticket items. So, why not get on board? We're sailing Greece, sailing Turkey, we're sailing away. And if you really want to get something in for the winter months,